Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to send XRP from your Zaman wallet to Coinbase in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and securely. Whether you're looking to cash out or move your assets around, let's dive right in. First off, before we get started, make sure you have the Zaman app installed on your device and a verified Coinbase account set up. In 2025, XRP transactions are even more streamlined, but always double-check for any regulatory updates in your region. Oh, and remember, crypto transfers aren't instant, so patience is key. Step 1. Open the Zaman app and log in with your secure credentials. If you're new, you'll need to set up your wallet first. It's quick and easy. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to your XRP wallet. You'll see your balance and a list of options. Select the Send or Transfer feature. Step 3. Now, grab your Coinbase wallet address. Head over to your Coinbase app or website, go to your XRP wallet, and copy the receiving address. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Typos can lead to lost funds. Step 4. Back in Zaman, paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to send, and don't forget to check the transaction fees, which might be lower in 2025 thanks to network upgrades. Step 5. Review everything carefully. Double-check the address, amount, and fees. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. Step 6. Sit back and wait for the confirmation. In 2025, XRP transactions on the XRP ledger are super fast, often under a minute, but it might take a bit longer to reflect on Coinbase. Keep an eye on your transaction history in both apps. And there you have it. That's how you send XRP from Zaman to Coinbase. Always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, reach out to support or check community forums. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.